How to reopen Instagram photos that you already viewed on mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reopen Instagram photos that were already viewed in chats, including disappearing messages and standard media files. So let's get started. Let's suppose this is the message that my friend has sent and I want to, reopen it once I have opened it again. So for that, first of all, you gotta, turn off your internet and turn on your airplane mode. And after that, you gotta view the photo. So you gotta simply click on view photo and you'll be able to view the photo. And like you can see that you have turned on airplane mode and turned off your Wi-Fi. Once you have viewed the photo, if you wish to reopen it again, you gotta go back and simply turn off your Instagram, head over to your phone settings. So just head over to settings and here you gotta click on applications. So simply search for apps and here you can see we have apps and notifications, and then you gotta click on see all apps. So simply click on see all apps. And over here, you're going to search for Instagram. So simply scroll down to the I section and search for Instagram. And once you click on Instagram, you're going to click on storage and cache over here. And here, you're going to click on clear cache. And after clicking on that, you're going to click on clear storage. And then it says all this app's data will be deleted. So simply click on OK. And after that, you're going to go back and sign into your Instagram again, because obviously if you have cleared your data, you'll be logged out of your Instagram account. So simply head over and turn off your airplane mode and turn on your Wi-Fi and log into your Instagram account again. And once you have signed into your account, you gotta head over to your messages once again and then simply open that chat once again. So simply we're gonna head over and open that chat, and here it says send a photo, and you can reopen the photo once again. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.